I am going on vacation. Sometimes, even difficult things like going to the hospital to have surgery can be simplified. All the complicated procedures you once had to deal with are things of the past, saving valuable time and labor. Hospitals no longer need to be thought of as hectic, impersonal places. Waiting around in the hospital with no one to talk to used to be so disheartening. But now, there's always someone available who can answer them anytime, anywhere. Rest assured here, because you know a friendly, supportive team is taking care of your every need. Like a first-class vacation. It's guaranteed to be a memorable experience. Avalue's healthcare solutions provide a special experience in any medical environment. A new digital healthcare experience you can trust.